pictures that the rock star cartoonist did. Oh, you gonna read Dog and IINGAN? Yeah. Today I thought, let's just look through Michael's book, Dog and IINGAN. And then he also drew a bunch of pictures for a calendar he made once about the months of the year in Ojibwe. Oh, cool. Yeah. So this is Dog and IINGAN by Michael Lyons. Now in this book, Dog is the harmonica player there. He speaks English. And IINGAN, the hand drum player, is, that means wolf. That's wolf in Ojibwe. And he only speaks Ojibwe. So in this little book, we're gonna learn how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. And we might even learn some animal names. Huh, sweetie? That's right, baby doll. So, without further ado, page 1. Is this page 1? Yeah. So Dog and IINGAN opens with the little dog saying, hello. And then IINGAN, the wolf, he says, BOOZHOO. Much like our show, BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, huh, sweetie? Yep. BOOZHOO means hello. Then, if I can, whoops, too far. Here we have, Dog says, one dog. And IINGAN says, Beijig Animosh. Beijig Animosh. One dog. They're just saying the same stuff, but, you know. And it looks like little Animosh is kind of pleased with being a dog. He's a cute dog. Yeah. Here we have Animosh is saying, one wolf. And so IINGAN says, Beijig IINGAN. Beijig IINGAN. Remember, two I's are E. And that little glottal stop there, that means it's kind of like the dash in uh-oh. 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 Spaghetti-o. Beijig IINGAN is one wolf. Two. Nij. Nij, sweetie. Two. Like the two of us. The two of us. Just the two of us. Nij. Two. And there he says, two eagles. Two eagles. Nij migizi wug. Migizi wug. Now, a migizi is one eagle. But if you want to add an S in English, you would add a wug in Ojibwe. Nij migizi wug. Nij migizi. Those are some good eagles. Okay, dig, if you will, this picture. Three. Niswi. Three. And you got that one eagle's flying away. One eagle's walking away. Looks like there's a little deer over here. Let's see what happens. Three bears. Niswi, mukwug. Niswi, mukwug. Now that reminds me of a story, sweetie. The three bears? Yeah, it reminds me of Goldilocks and the three bears. Maybe I should tell that story next. Yeah. Three bears. Niswi, mukwug. Mukwug. A sound like a. Muk. Wug. Mukwa is one bear. Three bears is Niswi, mukwug. Niswi, mukwug. The three little bears. Or I guess it's three pigs. Four. Ni win. Four. Ni win. And they're running for the hills, sweetie. Run to the hills. Run for your life. All right, here we got 4 raccoons. 4 raccoons. Niwin, AC Banag. AC Banag. Remember, E sound like A in Ojibwe. So it's not an EC Banag. It's an AC Banag. AC Bun is raccoon. AC Bun. But 4 raccoons is Niwin, AC Banag. 4 raccoons. You got this little guy pointing them out. It's not nice to point. How come he doesn't know that? I don't know. All right. Next up. Just got some trees here. Nanan. 5. Nanan. Yeah. I don't have much to say about that. 5 deer. 5 deer. Nanan wawa shigeshiwag. Wawa shigeshiwag. Wawa shigeshi is a deer. And yeah, again, you add a wug. Nanan wawa shigeshiwag. 5 deer. Although I only see 2 deer here, sweetie. I think the other 3 on the next page. Oh, right. Yep, here we go. All right, let's count it out, kids. Beijig, 1. Nij, 2. 2 wawa shigeshiwag. Niswe, 3. Niwen, 4. Nanan, 5. Nanan wawa shigeshiwag. 5 deer. Six. Ningod waswe. Ningod waswe. It looks like Anamosh is looking for something to count to 6 with. Ningod waswe. 6 crows. Oh, wow. Ningod waswe. Andegwag. Andegwag. Beijig, Nij, Niswe, Niwin, Nanan, Ningod waswe. Yep, 6 crows. 7. Nij waswe. Nij waswe. 7. 7 rabbits. Nij waswe. Wabuzug. Nij waswe. Wabuzug. Let's see, we got Beijig, Nij, Niswe, Niwin, Nanan, Ningod waswe, Nij waswe. Nij waswe. Wabuzug. 8. Ish waswe. Ish waswe. Oh, Ish. They're running around now. Oh, you know what else I noticed, sweetie? What's that? Now it's summer. When we started this book, it was winter. It was snowing. And now, miraculously, somehow, all the leaves have returned. Oh, yeah, that's cool. That old Michael, he sure is creative. 8 squirrels. And the leaves are changing color. 8 squirrels. Ishwaswi misajidamug. Ishwaswi misajidamug. 8 squirrels. 9. Jungaswe. Jungaswe, baby doll. I like how you say that. Jungaswe. Jungaswe. 9 is Jungaswe. Those are some pretty bulbous what's the word? Toes? Yeah, toes. I forgot how to say toes. For a wolf, if you ask me. Nine birds. Jungaswe, Beneshi Yag. 9 birds. Let me see if there's 9 birds. Bejig, Nij, Neswe, Niwin, Nanan, and Godwaswe, Nijwaswe. 9 birds. Nijwaswe. 10. Midaswe. 10. Midaswe. 10 birds. Midaswe is 10. More trees. And then 10 butterflies. Midaswe mamengwag. Midaswe mamengwa. 10 butterflies. Bejeg, Nij, Neswe, Niwin, Nanan, and Godwaswe, Nijwaswe, Jungaswe, Midaswe. 10 butterflies. Oh, and now that the grass has turned completely yellow, it looks, the leaves have all fallen again. And finally, Miigwech. Thank you. Miigwech. That's a cute drawing. I love that drawing. IINGAN and Anamo is hugging. Yeah. And now to watch the season go backwards. See, it goes from fall or summer. The leaves have come back. Grass, and there it turns back into winter. Isn't that crazy, sweetie? Yeah. Hello, BOOZHOO. And this has been Dog and IINGAN by Michael Lyons. To order your copy of Dog and IINGAN, click in the links below. Michael, how many Dog and IINGAN books did you sell last month? Absolutely none. But you sold a few of the other ones, huh? Yeah, we sold a lot of the OJIBWE books, actually. Oh, that's cool. Dog and IINGAN by Michael Lyons. And this has been, dig if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can, my darling, can you picture this? All right. Hey, if you'd like to support the show, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Like, share, and all that. And become a Patreon. Nah, don't become a Patreon. I'm sick of asking people for money. Don't give us any money. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Miigwech Ganawabieg. And thank you for listening. Miigwech Bizandawieg. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hoa.